Crevis I/O Guide software makes configuring the network adapter and I/O slices a breeze. The software layout is fairly typical, with the menu and toolbar across the top, project window on the left, message log on the bottom, links to the help file on the right, and the work area in the middle. Notice the image, process image, parameter, address map, and comment tabs at the bottom. Let's create a new project. Give it a name, Sdn with the I like to tag it with the Ethernet and the node address number. Select the bus connection type, in this case select Modbus TCP. Now let's add a network adapter and an IP address. Again, the network adapter's GN9284. IP address in this case is 192.168.3.1. Now we can scan for the hardware. Software will see a network adapter with 5 slices. Slices are listed in the physical order with a part number and an icon to identify the type. The first one's a voltage supply, a digital input, a digital output, an analog input, and an analog output. The information displayed in the working area tabs depend on what is selected in the project tree. Take a moment to view the various tabs. Congratulations, you've connected the network adapter with the I/O Guide software. In the next video, you'll learn to set parameters and read the data.